Good morning. So today we're out here working on the future pasture site, and some of the things we're doing is piling up brush, just trying to clear it, and we're going to probably burn most of this. And then another big thing that we're going to try to do is take control of some of these springs. So behind me here, there's I think about 3 different springs within about a 40-yard stretch, and it's all leaching down over the hill and everything's pretty wet. So what I'm going to try to do, dig up the spring head and hopefully begin to bury some corrugated piping or something just to dry up the ground above or below where the springs are. So that's what we're up to, guys. I'm going to show you these springs. Right, so down there, that's our pond that we had dug. It's all hand dug, and there's a pretty significant spring feeding that one. And if you look over here, got a spring there, which these 2 could just be the one spring. I'm not sure, but there's a lot of water coming out of the ground right here. And then just right past that little clearing there, there's another. All right, so I dug 3 different little trenches here. This one closest to me seems to be producing the most water. Then this one, the second. And right over here, the third. Now, I don't know if these are actually all connected to one major spring. I mean, it's fairly possible, but this one seems to be coming out that way. This one's coming up from directly from the bottom. And this one over there is coming out of that way. So I don't know, I'm no expert. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Okay, so since we got that Widowmaker out of the tree there, I decided I'm gonna go ahead and keep this tree, but we are gonna go ahead and take down that bent one and that dead locust there. So we'll go ahead and cut this locust limb up because this is the top out of that one. We'll go ahead and cut it up. It's gonna make some nice firewood for us. All right, so we're making progress. We got a nice pile of old locust firewood now. Getting some of it cleaned up. There's a bunch of fallen old locusts laying on the ground. I've quartered them up so we can pull them out with the rhino. And all in all, making good progress. Got a nice big brush pile there we're gonna light off soon. I'm pretty happy with the progress we're making. Can see easily to the barn now, so that's good. It's time to take a quick break. Partially smashed banana. Future compost. All right, so we've been clearing this future pasture still. Brush pile isn't working worth a darn, but we found this old spring tub here that we're trying to dig out. And there's a heck of a spring coming in from right there. Good job. What'd we find, Adelie?
Old thing.
Old thing? Wow, you're really tough. I'll help you. Tell YouTube what we found.
An old bathtub.
Old bathtub. What are we going to use it for?
I am a water.
Right. All right, let's try to dig this out and see how it goes. So we decided we're going to go ahead and drag the tub out of there, hopefully without breaking it, and try to dig back to the spring source, level the tub, and place it again. Let's see if the rhino will pull it out of there for us. Here we go.
I'll put him right there.
The salamander?
Yeah.
If you want to.
Maybe him live. Maybe. Hey, Dada.
Hmm.
We think we maybe know. We think we maybe know where water coming from. That little hole over there.
You see where it's coming from?
Yeah.
All right.
It's coming from over there.
So we just temporarily developed this spring, and it's putting out a fair amount of water for us. We got the bathtub leveled up.
Dad, don't put him back in there.
Yeah, go ahead. And Adelie found a salamander. What's his name? What's his name?
Sammy.
Sammy.
Leave him later.
Oh, he does like it.
A day him back. And think him will maybe say him family now.
Right. All right, so we found 2 spring heads, or maybe it's one split again. This one's really pumping out the water. But we went ahead and kind of developed that one there. And we're filling up this bathtub. We went ahead and we had about 4 or 5 inches of water in it. Cleaned it out somewhat. Splashed all the water out, now it's filling back up. Just a fun little project. I might get the backhoe down here and dig back and see if these are both combined in here and set a barrel and, you know, develop it the right way. But it was fun, and we're filling up the tub, so we'll see how it goes. Thank you all for following today's project. Hope you all enjoy. Please click the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and hit us up on Facebook. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, y'all take care.